Hey everyone! In this video I'm going to show you how to connect and import Salesforce objects in Power BI. Let's get into it. First, open the Data menu. The first step is to open your report program and find the main button that lets you start looking for your information. You need to tell the computer that you want to bring something new into your workspace. Open your report tool and click on the button at the top that says Get Data. From the small list that drops down, go to the bottom and click on More. It opens the full library of all the different places where your data might be stored. You have to click More, so you can see every possible choice for your project. Without this step, you would only see a few basic options and you wouldn't be able to find your specific sales list. Next, find the sales object. You need to search for the specific tool that talks to your sales account so the computer knows what kind of files it is looking for. In the new window that pops up, type in Salesforce into the search box. Look at the results and select Salesforce object from the list of choices. It tells the report tool exactly how to read your information. By picking the object choice, you are telling the computer to look at the main building blocks of your sales data for your work. It ensures the tool uses the right settings to bring in your lists of customers and orders correctly. Next, pick the environment and sign in. Now you need to tell the computer which version of your account you are using and prove that you have permission to see the data. When the box appears, pick the production choice and then sign in using your secret name and password. Click the Connect button after you have entered your details. Picking production means you are looking at your actual work instead of a test area for your project. Signing in keeps your data safe and makes sure the computer has the right key to unlock your private information so it can show up in your report. You can start scrolling through the list and pick items like your customer list or your sales numbers, because it actually moves the data from the cloud into your reporting tool. Once you click Load, the computer works to bring all those numbers over so you can start building your report. And that's it. To bring your Salesforce data into your report tool, you must first click Get Data and select More to see all your options. Then, you type in Salesforce and pick the Object tool to find your data. Next, you choose the production setting and sign in to unlock your account. Finally, you pick items and load them into your report. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.